excuse the hot mess. I just got done with hot yoga. If you guys haven't tried hot yoga, try it. It's amazing. But I wanted to highlight real quick the Radiance Eye Gel, the Youth Radiance Eye Gel. It's definitely been growing on me. So I am a youth influencer and ambassador. I've been using the products for a long time already. I first got introduced to the retinol serum because I was struggling with acne, and it literally cleared my face. And then I started trying other products and I got hooked on them. And then now, like recently, the Radiance Eye Gel has been one of my favorites. But it's simple to use. You always want to make sure you apply it on damp skin. So right after the shower, right after hot yoga, after the toner, after you spray your toner. So, but what it does is it prevents, it hydrates the skin around the eye. The skin is the most sensitive. The skin around the eye is the most sensitive skin on your face, most sensitive area. And it prevents fine lines around the eye, which are called crow's feet. Those little fine wrinkles. It prevents that. It helps with dark circles, puffiness, and it just tightens it tightens your skin around the eye. It feels amazing. So you can use it morning and night. And if you're using it in the morning, make sure you follow with sunscreen on your face. As always, sunscreen. Best anti-aging preventative if you're out in the sun a lot. But so I like to use this morning and night. A little goes a long way. Literally one pump is enough for both eyes. So one pump. So I'm gonna put some toner on, spray it, and then use one around the eyes. Actually, you always want to use your ring finger when applying the serum, the Radiance Eye Gel, around your eye. So you go in like this in a circular motion. You only need very little, and then sometimes I bring it up to the forehead because it tightens the skin. So you know how we get these fine lines up here. So I'll do it around my eye and then up here. And then that's it. And then you can follow it with another serum, like the vitamin C and E serum, if you're using it in the morning, or the HA Plus if you're using it at night, or the retinol, and then moisturize. But yeah, it's amazing. So if you're looking for something to tighten the skin around your eyes, minimize these fine lines, help with like puffiness, tired looking eyes, Radiance Eye Gel is the go-to.